my name's Nick. I'm up here at Maple Motors. I got a 1959 Chevy I'm about to take you for a test drive in. Let's go for a ride. All right, getting ready to take off in this cool car here. I'll let you know anything that's wrong with it, any gauges that aren't working, if it's pulling to the left or right, or anything that I see, you will know about it on this test drive. Looks like our oil pressure gauge is working. I think the gas gauge works as well, so is the voltmeter. The temp gauge is coming up, just hit 150. Your RPM's working. Turn signal's on, it's working. Both of them work left and right. Open the pipes up. It's got the cutout. Pretty cool. We'll test it out while we're riding too. It's got a 350 in it. I decoded the motor. I'll put that in the video. You'll see the motor numbers. Steering wheel is off-centered. Car's going straight down the road. Somebody probably got in a line and now the steering wheel's off-centered. That's all it is. You take this off and you get behind it. There's a nut. Just turn it a couple notches, move. I'm gonna take it up to the gas station just to check. It's showing almost full, but I want to see the gauge move, so I'm gonna put a couple bucks in it. Check that out. Steering's nice and tight. Like I say, as soon as I turn, it turns. There's no slack in it at all. Brakes are a little squishy. They could be a little better. They still stop pretty good for what the car is, so. Well, I'm gonna pull at the gas station, let you check this out. Well, I'm up here at the gas station. I was getting ready to put gas in it where the gas cap's supposed to be, and it wasn't there. Let me show you. So they took it out of there, and they put it in the trunk here. Which I kind of like because we have a problem with people stealing our gas. So now I just fill it up there. But yeah, I'm gonna put probably about 5 or 10 bucks because it was already almost full. I just want to see the gauge move. I'll go ahead and show you the trunk while I'm here. I'm sure I'll forget it later, so let you see it here. It's nice and clean. Everything's done right. Looks good. All right, let's get some gas. All right, we'll check these gas gauges out. We've got 2 of them on here. One of them's pegged all the way up. This one is moving. So it is showing a true reading. It's almost full now. I'll only put 5 bucks in it. All right, let's get to rocking. Feels pretty good. Been watching the temperature. It's not getting hot or anything like that. Kicking on. looks like our speedometer works as well. Did our little walk around video. If you haven't checked it out yet, I do 2 separate videos for each car. One's a little walk around, the second's a driver. Sometimes I mix them up. Pretty easy to drive. I mean, I hardly gave it any gas and just let out on the clutch and it rolled out. You notice that. Everything seems nice and smooth. It's going straight down the road. I let it sit there and idle 10 minutes. Never got over 180. Fans cut on like they should. Car to drive. It definitely turns a lot of heads. I was having a hard time getting my videos done. So many people were stopping. But I'm gonna go ahead and put her up. We got some rain coming in here in Tennessee, and we're gonna store her over at the warehouse. The car's too clean to be sitting outside. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I try to put out 2 or 3 of these every single day. I'm gonna try to do a lot more. My goal is to get to 6 a day, but with all the other stuff I got going on, I don't know how that's gonna turn out. I at least get a few done every single day, but I appreciate you watching. If you want more info on this car, go ahead and give me a call. My name's Nick. I'm up here with my family. 615-822-4444. I'll try to help you out the best I can. We sell cars every single day out of the state. Have a shipping company I can hook you up with. Also got a huge section of wheels and tires. So if you see some kind of car on our lot you don't like the wheels on, we've got a lot of stock sitting over here. So we can help you out with that, get you set up, get you adjusted with what you like. And please check my website. I got 100 detailed pictures of every single car on the lot. Check that out, and we should be able to get you taken care of. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys.